Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I'm in the entryway and I'm going to decorate it for Christmas. So I'll be putting a little something on the round table, and then I'm going to add something to the staircase. Now, in the past, I have decorated the entire staircase from the first floor all the way to the second floor, but today I'm going to try something a little different. And so I just want to decorate the bottom half of the staircase on both sides. As you can see, they both kind of curl out. I just want to decorate the base of the staircase and not necessarily the entire staircase. So we're going to see how that works out. And then there's the second floor landing. I want to put a little something up there. I do have a mirror and I'm trying out a garland, but I may end up with a wreath. So we'll play around with that part. And I just want to add in a few simple touches for Christmas. All right, guys, so I have a few different garlands that I want to add to the staircase. And so this one I'm going to use as my base. So that's going to be my first layer. I want the garland on the staircase to be pretty full, and I want it to have a variation of greens. So I'm going to start with this layer first. So I'm going to place this on top because I like the softness of it and I like the soft green color. And then I'm going to just add this for a little texture. And what I think I'm going to do is just break up a couple pieces, and I'll cut the eucalyptus as needed. And then the chenille sticks is what I'm going to use to connect all of the garland together. Give it a good twist, maybe in 3 different areas. What I'm going to do is take the end of the garland that has the loop on it, and I'm just going to give it a little bend, and I'm going to place it right over the rail. And then I'm going to attach it with one of the garland stems. I'm just going to run one of those stems, let me see, can you see, through that hole to hold it. And then I'm going to take more of the underneath piece of the garland and wrap it around the banister or the rail. Okay, so this is how they're looking so far. And I really like the way they're looking. And now I need to decide what I'm going to embellish them with. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and work on the entry table. Alright guys, so I'm going to start here with this round mirrored tray. And I've used this tray before. It was something that I had during my glam days. And I like to keep some of my pieces around because I do like to bring in a little glam during the holidays. And so that's what you will see in today's video. A little bit of glam. Now I'm adding this vase. I love the white textured vase. And I just added some different greens in the vase. I think it gives it a more realistic look. When you go to the store, sometimes you can pick up different greens at the nursery, and so I just think that gives it a realistic look. Okay, so next I'm going to add this candelabra, and I got the candelabra from Hobby Lobby. Now I do have one that is a little larger that I got from Bella Bees, but this one is more on the small side. Okay, so next I'm adding these 2 deers that I picked up from Walmart, and they were at a really good price at $12.98 for the pair. I did pick up one a little earlier from Hobby Lobby, and I only got one, and it was $24, and so I just took that one back. Now I'm adding in this little votive cup that I got from Home Goods, and I like it because it has a variation of colors, pretty much the colors that you will see on this in this vignette, as well as throughout my home. And I thought it was a nice idea just to add a little greenery to soften the votive cup as well as the little deer. And then I'm just going to finish it off with my candles and then light them and let you guys see how it turned out. Alright guys, so here are a few of the elements that I will be using on the garland, and I wanted to be sure that all of the colors that are on the entryway table was represented in the garland. And so I think it's going to be pretty, but I will let you guys be the judge. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so this is how everything turned out, and I like it. Instead of having the garland on the handrail, I wanted to switch it up and do something just a little different and just put the garland at the post. And I really like the way it turned out. My main goal was to keep the handrails free so that the kiddos can go up and down the stairs without any issues. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I have so many more rooms to decorate, and I would hate for you guys to miss out. Hope to see you at my next video. Bye-bye.